Hi there, students. To droop as a verb. I guess you could have it as a noun as well, a droop. And then droopy as an adjective and droopily as an adverb. Okay, so to droop, to bend, to hang down heavily. So the flowers were drooping in the hot sun. Yeah, they were wilting, they were losing their rigidity. Your spirits could droop figuratively. Yeah, you start to feel less happy, less energetic. To droop, to go downwards gradually. So prices went up and up, but then they began to droop, and since then they have gone on gradually drooping more and more. There's a dog, a cartoon character called Droopy, and all of his features hang down. And he talks in a rather sad, depressed voice. Okay, so to droop, to hang downwards, to sag, S-A-G, to sag, to slowly become limp and bend gradually. Yeah, to proceed or move downwards, yeah, to a close, to decline. And then to droop, to lose your energy, to lose your enthusiasm, to lose your happiness, to flag, to wane. So the enthusiasm of the group began to droop, yeah, to flag. Okay, so his eyelids drooped because he was tired. Yeah, or he had droopy eyes, eyes that hang down. His shoulders drooped when he heard the news. Yeah, that's the idea of to droop. Yeah. Okay, so if something droops, it hangs downwards with no strength, no firmness. It hangs down limply. The roses hadn't been watered and they drooped in the vase. He had an enormous droopy moustache that hung down, that sagged down. It wasn't stiff. Yeah. Okay, there was a droop in his shoulders. Yeah, there was a droop in his moustache. Yeah, okay, my energy was drooping. I was overcome by weariness. I began to flag, to languish, to lose courage, to become dejected. Yeah, yeah, his spirits drooped. Yeah. There was heavy rain and all the leaves on the tree looked very droopy. They drooped downwards. Yeah, my eyelids are drooping. I'm sorry. Yes, I thought I was going to fall asleep there. Okay, so droopy, hanging down, tended to wilt or sag down. Yeah, to bend downwards gradually. My energy was drooping from lack of sleep. Yeah. Okay, so to droop, to sag downwards, to flag, to drop down, to sink, to dwindle, to wilt, to wither, to slump, to decrease. There was a lot of support for his campaign at the beginning, but now his popularity is beginning to droop. It's beginning to flag. A weeping willow, the branches drooped down over the water. Yeah? Okay, so to droop, a great verb, a regular verb as well. Okay, formality, to droop. I think 5 informality is a verb, use it anywhere. His eyelids were drooping eyelids, 5 informality. Droopy as an adjective, maybe a little bit literary. I think I'm going to give it no, I'm going to give it a 5 in formality as well. So use all of them absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, a Middle English word droopen with the same meaning, from Old Norse droopa to droop, from Proto-Germanic droopana to hang down, and from Proto-Indo-European drueb to drip or to drop. Drip, drop, droop. Clearly all of these words are related. Okay, so enough. Before your enthusiasm for the video begins to droop, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Droop, droopy, drooping, droopily.